Epson Expression Home 3150. This printer is multifunctional printer, multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink. I'm going to use compatible ink cartridges. This printer is using ink 603 or 603 extra large. First of all, you need to switch this printer on from here. This is the on and off button. Then you wait. Now what you need to do is you need to select OK. Now once you select OK, the ink holder will move from the corner to the center and position itself where it's supposed to be. There is a sticker on top of the ink holder. You will see BK is for black, Y is for yellow, M is for magenta, and C is for cyan. Okay. So the ink I'm using, these inks are compatible ink cartridges. Okay. So we're just gonna show you how to install this and things you need to do for this to work. Okay, so this is cyan. Okay, so what you need to do, just need to pull off the air vent, then you go into cyan, push it down, then the next is magenta, pull off, it's written here pull, so pull off the air vent, then go in to magenta, push it down, then the next is yellow, pull off the air vent, then go into the yellow, push it down. The last but not the least is BK black, pull off, then go in black, push it down. Okay, and once you're done, select OK and select OK again. Do is switch this printer off. Okay, switch it off, then you switch it back on so that it will recognize the ink. Now it's telling us non-genuine ink detected. Press OK. Now it will ask you, do you wish to continue using this ink? You scroll up and select yes, select OK. So this is how to use non-genuine ink. To replace the ink cartridges, what you need to do is you need to go to basically to the menu. Okay, you will see this copy, then you use the side button to go to the settings, select OK, then you scroll down, use the side button again, go to maintenance, select OK, then use the side button again to ink cartridges replacement, select OK, and you will see replace ink cartridges. Then use this button to start, select start, then you open up the ink holder, select the particular ink you want to remove. Okay, this is black, remove it, then you go to yellow, then you go to magenta, the last but not the least cyan, you remove it. Okay.